Walaikum assalam. How are you? Welcome back to my dual as a makeup series.
Welcome
This is
to
episode 2 and I hope you have already watched episode 1. If not, you can check it out on my channel. I have provided the link in the description box. Let's get started. Firstly, which face powder are you planning to use? It's important to choose a powder that is non-comedogenic, won't clog your pores and suitable for your skin type. To apply face powder and help minimize the appearance of open pores, I recommend using a kabuki brush. This type of brush has dense, soft bristles that allow for full coverage and easy blending. I will enhance the features of my model using this contour palette. If you don't know how to contour your nose, you can visit my channel and learn. I want to apply concealer so that the color I put on my eyes looks beautiful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can join me in the I Do All as a Makeup series. And then I fix this concealer with the help of this powder with this brush. Next, I make my eyebrow ready gently. I use this palette eyebrow palette. The name is you can see this video. First, I will take a light color and apply it on my eyelids in circular shapes. Then I will apply dark brown eyeshadow in a round shape. Next, I will take a green color and apply it on my eyelids using a brush. After this, I will apply brown eyeshadow on my crease to enhance it. I will then use metallic green eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelids using my finger. Next comes the eyeliner, which is an essential part of any eye makeup. I will apply a simple winged eyeliner. If you don't know how to apply eyeliner, you can check out my channel on YouTube called Eidmakeuptutorial and search for my eyeliner tutorial. After that, I will apply the same colors on my lower lash line and blend it. I will highlight the inner corner of my eyes and apply lashes to enhance the makeup. I will add chunky glitters and then apply lower lashes. You can try this bold I Do All as a makeup look and share your feedback in the comments. If you want me to create any specific makeup look, let me know in the comments, and I will make a video on it. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.